Hi, hello everyone. Let us see how we traded today. First, we'll go through the stocks which we scanned for today, and later we'll go to the index levels. These are all the 8 stocks which we planned for today. Out of all these 8, we got entry in Ambuja Cement, and we also got entry in Titan. Titan was a bit tricky, so we'll be looking only these two charts, Titan and Ambuja. The rest of all these stocks, we didn't get any entry, so no need to check them. So let us open these stocks one by one. First, we'll go to Titan. So this was the plan yesterday. We wanted to go long here. So if you look at the low of this first candle, the low is 1320. Our entry was planned around 1860 somewhere, right? So if someone waiting exactly for this level should have missed the entry just by 1 rupee, and immediately next 1-2 candles it has given almost, we planned almost 1:3 trade, but what happened, it gave, so here you can see when I place this high, this gave more than 1:2 trade. So if anyone entered this aggressively bit with 1 more rupee above, should definitely got 1:2 trade, which means if you are risking 1000 rupees, you should be getting 2000 rupees profit here. And later it came down. So when it come close to the demand area, once it go to the target, we don't take entry here. So for today, I'll take the case of new people who don't know about this level. They didn't, let's say, new people who don't know about entering aggressively and all, they didn't enter here. And let's say I'm taking this as they entered here and then they took SL. So let's consider this as 1000 rupees loss in this trade. The other one, Ambuja Cement. So let me open Ambuja Cement. We plan Ambuja Cement in 5 minutes. Let me go to the 5 minutes chart. So Ambuja Cement, this is the exact entry what we planned. In the first candle itself, we got the entry and then we planned almost 1:3 trade here. This is what we plan. And if you are risking 1000 rupees here, definitely you should have got 3000 rupees profit when it hit the target. And in the second, third candle itself, it has given the target. So if someone trailed this, they should have got, even if, let's say, if they booked a loss when it was coming here, they should have got almost 1:7.5. If you're risking 1000 rupees, you should have got 7500. I'm not taking that case. I'll just go with the thing what we planned, 1:3 trade only. So if you're risking 1000 rupees, let's say you got only 3000. And now to summarize about what happened to this, though this is like manageable trade to book some profit in Titan, I'm considering this from the people who are very new. And I'll take this as an SL, like 1000 rupees SL and 3000 profit in Ambuja. Overall, still you should be in 2000 profit. So that is about today's stocks. Before going to index, I even got some questions saying that a couple of questions were like this. There were the targets, whatever we planned were already the price reached those levels and all. See, it's not like right now, what is the high of this candle? I'll see like, how best I can explain this. The high of this candle is almost 445, right? Let's say if my plan is to enter long here, already the price is there at 448. Now let's say I wanted to go long around this area, around 442. When the price reached 442, from there I wanted the price to move up. So my target will be counted or considered when I get entry. Okay. So whatever trades we plan, once it get and once if it come and touch the entry area, then we'll look at the target. Okay. So even from yesterday example also, let me show you this one more time. This was something which we planned, right, yesterday. So the target is 441. Where is the stock already? It is almost at 440, 441. We'll go long only when if it come to 437. Then our target will be 440, something like that. Okay. So it came to 437, it gave the entry. Now the target will be whatever we planned. This is how we'll be planning. We plan everything when the market is closed. We'll scan the stocks, we'll find the levels, and that is how we trade. Okay. Now let us see how we traded in index today. I'm just opening 5 minutes chart of Nifty. So if you remember, this is what we planned. So first, let me take you to the 15 minutes. Let me show exactly what we planned yesterday, and let's see what happened. So the chart was like this yesterday. And what we planned yesterday was, once if it go in between these two supply areas, this is where we wanted to go short. If want, you can go and watch the yesterday video. This is the exact area where we wanted to go short in Nifty with the SL above this supply area. And today when it came to that area, we even entered some put as it was taking very long time. I asked to exit at the buy price, but later eventually this was the planned target and eventually it came there. But as it was taking very long time, we can't make much money when it trade for very long time. So I just asked to exit this. I'll show you all the trades whatever we have taken today and how we uh, made trades in the Nifty. So this is what we plan. Now let me go to the 5 minutes. In 5 minutes after pre-market closed at 9.7. At the pre-market, we have seen the price was opening above previous high around this area. So I said with this stop loss, we can go long with this as the first target. You see these swing highs, this is what we planned as the first target. So it came to the first target and the second target was this, the above swing high. Even it came there. That is where exactly on 15 minutes we have supply area, and you can see price was just hovering there. It was unable to break that area. And now let me show you the Telegram channel. So on Telegram, this is what we have been I have been told, like the stop loss should be this area and the first target will be this and the next target next swing high. We didn't take any trade, but that was our expectation. As expected, market moved in the same way. Okay. Now coming to Bank Nifty, if you remember, this is the trend line which we put yesterday, and we wanted to go long only if the price sustain above till for the target previous high, and above that also we wanted to go long. Now let me open Bank Nifty chart. Let me show you this. Yesterday we entered some puts, right? So let me show you that also. Yesterday we entered 45,800 puts around 128, and it reached almost 155, 160. And I asked everyone to book the profit in this one. So the price opened close to the trend line, and from there the price started coming down, and around this area, once it filled the gap, this is where I asked to book the profit in the puts whatever we entered yesterday, because we expected some gap down opening, but it opened gap up. Nifty was already opening above previous high with some positive note, so we don't want to take any risk, and I wanted to take this opportunity to book some profit and exit the puts whatever we entered yesterday. So this is exactly what we took some action from 128 to 150 change. That is where we booked the profit. That was a good one. And then what happened? We even entered 46,000 call around 130. We entered 46,000 call around this area. We wanted to take stop loss below this current day low, and the target was 46,000. So whatever I post, you can see in the comments of that particular post, we'll be discussing about all the levels. So this is exactly what we plan. You can see the same candles here. Below this, we want to maintain SL, and this is where we entered the call. So we entered the call 46,000 call we entered around 160. See, okay, we entered around 130, and where we booked that call, we booked almost at 175 rupees, we booked the profit. And exactly why we booked that? Because we have this small supply area around 46,000. We thought this 46,000 could be some resistance to the market. So I asked everyone to exit from that call. So we made some good profit in Bank Nifty. We entered around 130, and we exit around 175. That is just like 45 points profit. But remember, when market was here around 45,800, this is where we entered call and this is where we exit. We entered far out of the money. We entered almost 200 points out of the money, and that is how we got that 45 points profit. If we entered any call with the ATM strike price, definitely we should have made more than 100 points profit in this move. But what happens if the price go little below because of these spikes? We may have to take like 50-60 points of SL in that ATM strikes. We don't want to take any risk, so we entered far out of the money call and we made some decent profit in those calls. And then what happened? We even entered Nifty 19,800 put. Why we entered? I already told. On 15 minutes it was reaching the supply area, and you can see from there from 62, 63, couple of times it came to 66. It was not giving great movement, so I asked everyone to exit. So it came in between these two. I asked everyone to book profit here. It came almost at the end of the day to this level. The problem is options, if they stay there for very long time, even if they come to your target after very long time, we don't make any big money. The only way, or when the option buyers will make money, is when the targets come to your direction swiftly. Once you enter, it should start going in your direction. Only that is when you'll make money. If you take too much long time, you'll get like very few points of profit. So I asked to exit this Nifty call. And then what happened? We took one more trade in Bank Nifty. See, already it has broken the trend line. We are a bit positive in Bank Nifty around 46,000. Once we book profit, we exit. Again, it came to the 46,000. So from there, we are not seeing one positive thing is it has broken the trend line. And the second thing, it is coming and touching again and again this 46,000 area. And Nifty is also trading very positively above previous high. So with all this, we thought like it can go much higher. I expected even like 200, 300 points up move. So I asked everyone to enter 46,000 uh, call one more time around 160 rupees. And that 160 rupees has given more than 200 rupees. And I I hope everyone booked some decent profit in that call. So you can see after touching this 46,000 multiple times, it went high. Normally what happens if you keep trailing the SL, this is where like we can capture the complete movement, like if there was any strong movement. But as expected, market didn't give that great movement, but it has definitely given some decent profit. It has given from 160, it gave like more than 200 change uh, points of profit in Bank Nifty. So that is how we traded in Nifty. Today was a good day. So whatever we planned, everything worked accordingly, and we booked decent profit in index, and even the stocks also. Even though there were like only two stocks which gave entry, we made some good profits from those two trades. For tomorrow, let us first look at Bank Nifty, then we can look at Nifty. So this trend line, whatever we were thinking, so finally it has broken that level. Even if I take that level also, overall the trend has turned bit positive in Bank Nifty. Even it has closed above 46,000. So for tomorrow, we'll see if the price sustain above 46. Let's say if I take this area, because we want market to go above 46,200. Only that is the area we can little comfortably enter in call if it go above 46,200, because in between you don't know from where it will get rejection. And if there is any fall or gap down opening in the market, will look to go long around 45,750, and only if it go below 45,620, this is where we'll look to go short in Bank Nifty. That should be the plan for tomorrow. Now we'll take a look on, before that, let me also show you the 5-minute levels as well. I don't think there are any great levels on 5 minutes. Yeah, we'll see where market will open tomorrow. After pre-market, I'll try to give the levels one more time. Now let us quickly take a look on Nifty chart as well. So we don't need all this now. Let me remove them. So for tomorrow, we'll consider this supply. If the price go here, we'll look to go short. When we short, this will be the SL. If it cross that supply area, we'll look to go long. And again, if there is any gap down or if price come to the below area, this gap area around 19,683, this is where we look to go long. So let us keep these levels for now in mind. Let me also see on 15 minutes. So these are the 15-minute levels. And we'll go long only if it cross and sustain above 19,869. We'll look to go long for this target 19,965. And if you see any rejection on the 5 minutes, we have some supply areas here. So from there, we'll look to go short. Again, from 19,700 area, we'll look to go long here. So that should be the plan for today. I'll alert on index tomorrow. And let me show you the stocks for tomorrow. You can take a screenshot of all these stocks. All you need to do is, okay, let me clear all this. Okay, take a screenshot of these stocks, mark all these levels on your charts, set some alerts. Whenever they come to your levels, you can enter. Weekly income trades, we may or may not get entry on the same day. Sometimes we may have to wait a couple of days. Daily trade, we can set alert and we can expect all the DAT trades tomorrow. For HIT, hourly income trades, we have to be a bit careful. There is a high chance we'll get entry in the first 1-2 candles itself. So we have to be a bit careful while trading HIT. So that is all about today. We'll see how many of these stocks will give entry tomorrow, and we'll see how we are going to make profits or loss tomorrow. So we'll catch you tomorrow again. Thank you so much for watching.